Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to play chess on Duolingo. If you've ever wanted to learn chess in a fun, simple and interactive way, this is the perfect place to start. Duolingo isn't just for languages anymore, it's becoming a platform where learning new skills can actually feel like a game, and chess is a great example of that. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from getting started to understanding how the lessons work and how you can improve your gameplay over time. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who already knows the basics, this tutorial will help you get comfortable and confident using Duolingo to learn chess. So if you're ready to level up your skills, stay tuned and let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your Duolingo app on your phone. Once it loads, you'll be taken to the main home screen. From here, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the flag icon. This flag represents the language you're currently learning. After you tap it, a new menu will appear showing different courses and options. Scroll down a little until you find the section labeled New Courses, and look for the option that says Chess. Go ahead and tap on it. Now Duolingo will take a moment to load the chess course. After that, it will ask you a quick question about your experience level basically. How much you already know about chess. It's really important to answer this honestly because it helps Duolingo place you at the right starting point so you don't feel lost or bored. You'll usually have two options here. You can either start completely from scratch if you're new to chess, or you can let Duolingo assess your level and decide where you should begin. Choose whichever fits you best. Once you've made your choice, tap Continue. Now you'll be taken into the chess lessons where you can start learning and playing right away. You'll see interactive exercises, guided moves, and simple explanations that help you understand how each piece works and how the game is played. And just like that, you're ready to start playing chess on Duolingo and improving step by step. And that's a wrap on our Duolingo chess tutorial. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to get started, how to navigate the app, and how to begin learning chess step by step. Remember, practice is key, so keep playing the lessons regularly, and don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies as you learn. Duolingo makes it easy to track your progress, and over time, you'll notice yourself getting better at planning moves, understanding tactics, and thinking ahead like a real chess player. The more consistent you are, the more confident you'll become. I hope this guide helps you enjoy learning chess in a fun, interactive way. Keep exploring the app, try new challenges, and most importantly, have fun while learning. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.